I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and back up to clear transient errors, then hold the Reset/Stop button to force the unit into maintenance mode. Once the printer is responsive, connect USB or confirm Wi-Fi so tools can communicate. Make sure to record the model and firmware because the reset method varies by model. This prevents wasted steps. If you see a blinking pattern, count the flashes. That guides the next menu selection and tells you which reset option to choose. Next, access the service menu. Different models require holding combinations like stop and power or home and menu. Once inside, navigate to the waste ink pad counter item. This is usually the cause of service required. Use the official service tool or the printer's built-in reset to set the counter to 0 or 100%, depending on the interface. Follow prompts exactly and let the procedure finish. Interrupting power or unplugging the cable mid-process can brick the printer. Finish by restarting the printer and running a nozzle check plus head alignment to confirm normal operation. If the service-required message returns, make sure firmware isn't blocking the reset. Try repeating the reset over a direct USB link rather than Wi-Fi. If errors persist, the waste pads may be saturated, replace them, or consult authorized service. One key tip: if prints look faded after reset, run several cleaning cycles and wait between them to avoid wasting ink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.